Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME 13 and let me share with you how to activate the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Then let's open the version and keep tapping on the build number at the top until you'll see the information that you're into developer mode. Then let's go back to the general list of the settings and enter the system. And at the very bottom of the list, almost at the very bottom, we've got the developer options. So here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can show the hardware updates or view updates. Here we can change the window animation scale, show surface updates, etc. So to turn on the feature, you have to simply tap on the switcher on it and it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. And if you've got the options without the switcher, just open them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can turn them off just by tapping on the switcher which is pinned to the top of the screen. Just tap on it and you will need to restart your device to fully turn off the developer options, so just tap on restart. I don't want to do it right now, however, after that, the developer options will disappear from the system settings. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.